This is a global emergency. Please stand by. This message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. NASA has made a discovery of a black hole and is headed toward Earth. There is nothing that can be done. The black hole is approximately 1.74763 trillion kilometers in diameter. Gather your family, friends, and loved ones and brace for the end. All broadcast and cable systems shall stay online, providing news and info to the general public. Do not use the telephone. The line must be kept open for emergency use only. You will now be redirected to a local news station for Northern Ontario Superior East.